Yep. All right. We're good to go. Let's do this. Don't lean too much. You're going to mess with the angle.
Got it?
Slow down. That's it. Go ahead and turn the other way. If you want to change mags, you can. You got time here, so it's not going to go until I hit the buzzer. So do whatever you got to do. All right, you good to go? All right, hold on, not yet. Wait for the buzzer. It's all right. Put another mag. Keep going. You got to get them down. Shooting a little high, Mark. Take your time. Make them count. Fantastic. Unload show clear. Range is clear. Time 25.99. 25.